But what if you can make the algorithm work for you instead of against you? Listen, if you want to get viral social media posts, high converting emails, and a full marketing plan in less than an hour, all we need to do is figure out how to work faster and smarter without all the complicated steps. And that's why I created the AI Content Starter Kit. If you want to avoid creative burnout, if you want to avoid algorithm changes, if you want to stop struggling with balancing content creation with editing and promotion and work-life balance. Now, with the AI Content Starter Kit, I've helped hundreds of content creators get away from worrying about the algorithm and now they're able to crush it with their content. Now think about this, you spend hours putting your heart and soul into creating a piece of content, and then you edit it, you put all the bells and whistles on it, and then you hit publish, nothing. And you feel like the algorithm is against you. And look, getting attention is easy as long as you have the right system, if you have the right strategy. And this is the AI hack that is replacing full content teams. Man, I spent months doing this and it became overwhelming and I just got so frustrated. If you want to learn how to stand out in an increasingly loud online space, then all you need is something that streamlines your process, creating, editing. In just about 30 minutes, you'll have a complete email marketing strategy, a complete social media marketing strategy, and a complete content marketing strategy. That's what the AI Content Starter Kit allows you to do, is to stand out online. So no matter what type of content creator you are, whether you're a podcaster or a videographer or a content creator or digital marketer, if you want to save time and you want to stop throwing posts into the void, then the AI Content Starter Kit can help you streamline that entire process. Now right now, I'm giving 59% off, so you can use the code AIKIT40 at checkout, AIKIT40, so you can get this entire process for $27.